Hi, I'm Eric from the Thunder Pengwins, and this is the general use tutorial for the FTC Autonomous Builder Chat, available at ftcchad.com. To use Chat, simply follow these steps. First, select which chassis design you're using. Chat works with 4 chassis: the traction, partial omni, mecanum, and holonomic chassis. After you've selected one, you will be redirected to the creator page, where the designing of your autonomous takes place. Enter the name of your autonomous, the gear ratio of your encoders, and the dimensions of your robot into the inputs provided. You can also choose custom options for the gear ratio, motor counts per rotation, and diameter, which is measured in inches. Next, select which side of the field you are starting on, and move your cursor to where along that side you'd like to place your robot. Click once to confirm position, and again to confirm rotation. Now you can begin designing your autonomous. Simply choose a step type and move your cursor across the field to specify where you'd like your robot to go. You can also enter specific inputs to move an exact amount. Again, inputs are in inches. When you're finished with your step, click Done to add it to your autonomous. If you aren't happy with the last step, you can click the trash can to delete and redo it. To restart the entire autonomous, hit the X and confirm. When you're completely finished, click Generate to produce your code. Then, copy and paste the generated code into a new Java class in Android Studio. Configure your robot and calibrate it using the calibration program. Then place your robot exactly where you did on the field, and you're done. For more information, visit the Tips and Info page at ftcchad.com. A full video on calibration is coming shortly. Stay tuned for more.